Hello guys, we are back again with another video for you. This is Feast Biz Talk. My name is Patrick.
And my name is Emma, and we have been talking about careers, we have been talking about education, things to do with jobs, we have been talking about businesses. We have been giving you insights on many platforms and many areas in life. And today we want to talk about to students, or maybe to a person who is taking any course. And sometimes we feel like we're going to an exam room and we don't feel prepared. Sometimes we even freak out, you panic, and you don't answer the questions the way you're supposed to. So today we're going to be talking about how to prepare for an exam. If you're having upcoming exams and you're feeling like you're not ready, then you should listen to this video, because we're going to be giving you insights on how do you really effectively prepare for an exam. So one of the steps that you do when you want to prepare for an exam, you have to create a study plan. And a study plan is very essential because it helps you to break down your subjects into a manner that you can be able to revise. And when you have a study plan, you're able to cover all the topics actually in a systematic way without disorganizing your mind.
Because I'm trying to imagine someone maybe studying for an exam, and then you have a lot of things to study, and then you do a line, and then you're like, I need to study another thing. Then you go study that, and then you remember another things. You're not organized. But
you're going to
maybe even 10 minutes to organize what you're going to be studying. You'll cover a lot, and even get to know what you just studied, because you can study and then they all evaporate.
Because sometimes when you're trying to force things into your brains, your brains feels disorganized, and once you feel disorganized, even in the exam room you feel also disorganized, and you won't answer the way it's supposed to be answered. Then the next thing you're supposed to do is review and summarize your notes, because when you have reviewed all your notes and you have summarized them into bits that you can understand, you're able, even when the exam approaches, you're able to know that you are able to cover like a whole book in 2 sheets, because you have created a very good summary, and it's able to remind you everything in a single concept.
And summarizing, like it makes things easy automatically, because you are covering a lot of things in just a short period of time, and like in short forms which are manageable even to learn.
And even that's when we are talking about even coming up with mnemonics. And when we're talking about mnemonics, these are short words or short forms of things that help you to remember things easily. Let's say maybe I want to master the planets of the what do they call it? We call it the solar system. You come up with a mnemonic that will help you to remind you that the first one is Venus, if Mercury, the first one is Mercury, then Venus, right? So you can just come up with a mnemonic that will help you to remember all these. Then that way you can prepare for an exam is practice past papers and sample questions. Because I think people, especially teachers, when they are setting an exam, they